Take the connector off. That's not good. We got oil. Okay. I tighten these down by hand. Do about a 1/4 of a turn. Quarter. And let's do that on the rest of them. From the ins, and then let's see, the wiring harness is there. There's this vacuum hose there. Another one of those little red locking connectors up here on the top. All right. Okay. That one is out of the way, and there is a retainer clip holding that connector on. Pry that off. So those are out of the way. Look at this. Freaking had it on backwards. What an idiot. That other one back there doesn't even have a 10 on there, which I'm pretty happy about. Whoever got into this before, thank you. Just kind of pried that back a little bit. Let's see anything. To something. Hopefully there's another hose in the back. That guy. Damn it. This is cylinder 2, 4 and 6. And this is the one that was questionable on the, this was a P0302 code, so a misfire. If you had a P0301, 0302, 0303, 4, 5, and 6. Now basically what we did on the, that's the right side of the engine, this is the left side of the engine. This one, again, oil. So they're gonna need valve covers on each side. If try to pull these straight up, and I'm going to use pliers to kind of assist. None of these had any grease on them. Good thing, bad thing, I'm not sure.
crimping these on really hard. So I'm just inside the diode. Make sure they're pressed on good. This one doesn't have very much oil. I also have a little tiny bits in there. Good. Yeah. Oh, she took her to James? Oh. Man up. Yep. Yeah, she can take that. So I'm like, no, Mom, no. Like, but my mom just that. And then she had to wait and she doesn't have it. The reason I was trying to was like, oh, after that's actually my birthday. So, that's what I do. I'm like, oh, nice, do you? Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, I love those things. I know. Yeah, I was wondering, like, I'm my plants over. These are actually, but they're dope. To work on these engines, it's just a little finagling to get those things in the right spot back there and here. Oh, come on. It's a long one. Okay, I'm just gonna get these bolts back here, and they're hard to see, but you know what? This hose I went in the back with the clamp. I just used the hose clamp pliers to get it and put it on. Actually didn't even need to take it off because this hose just slides right into it. Pops in, that pops in there, vacuum lines. This wiring harness is going to go up here, this connector, lock tab back on there. Just a click sound. Okay, that's okay. Thank you. Okay, no, I'm over there, so. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Did you talk to Diego or Julia? No, I was just curious if you. The what? Oh yeah, that was.